Alright YouTube, so this is the LED projector that you have seen before. So in this video I'm gonna open this thing and we're gonna check what's inside of it, as I've already removed the back panel. This is just a cover that was connected to the back side of it using this for notches. There you can see. So that's the back side, you can see. And that's the speaker, and that's the heatsink, main heatsink for the LED light. So let's open it up. Right, so this is the main kit. As you can see, very small in size, and one microchip is there at the bottom, and this is the main processor chip, I think, for the smart one. And this is the display chip, I guess. That's why there is a heatsink on it. That's the display connector. That's another chip, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or whatever. I'm not sure about that. That's one speaker connector here, it's marked there, and that's a fan connector which is going to mount here, and that's let us say 5-pin connectors for the going to the front panel or bottom somewhere. There's a 5-volt supply as written here, 5-volt in, I guess. So that's the power supply, 5-volt in. So that's it. Now I cannot remove this black plastic part, as I'm not able to get to the bottom right now, because something might break, as the quality is not that great. So that's the basic thing of this projector. That's what's inside of this projector. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.